Farmers in India still looking for better linkages of various agri value chain services. Despite a $400 billion market, businesses like agri-input companies, bulk buyers, financial institutions still looking for better transparency and direct access to farmers. Positively, 35 to 40% is the growth rate in data and mobile penetration in rural area. As an entrepreneur, we saw these opportunities to build a large business model between businesses and farmers. Currently working with 168,000 farmers, created a large, sustainable, exclusive franchise network for last mile delivery of 302 individuals, partnered with 150 plus agri-businesses and growing annually at the rate of 3.5x. Any individual farmer in India have multiple agricultural requirements. They want to buy quality agri input, they need advisory, credit, insurance, and of course, they want to sell the produce at better price. Ironically, they have to rely upon multiple channels, and while chasing those distant multiple channels, often they lose efficiency. The Haat as a technology brings everything under one roof. Farmers, they buy agri input directly from input companies, they save some cost. Because of timely and customized advisory, they grow more. It also helps them to protect their soil and to save water for future. Lastly, they can also sell the produce to market and get better price. In total, it helps them to earn 50% more than current. Ground level, let me tell you how it works. Farmers, in case of any requirement, if they want to buy, sell, or they have any query, they just call on our call center or they come on our app. This requirement is passed on to our respective micro-entrepreneur who serves a catchment area of 3 to 5 kilometers. Backend of this micro-entrepreneur is completely owned, controlled, supported by our node, which is our regional inventory point and smallest business unit. When any farmer orders any agri input, it gets delivered same day in less than 24 hours. While handling thousands of tonnage of produce, our end-to-end inventory cycle is mere 13 days with zero price and inventory risk. Deploy technology interfaces at each level, at farmer level, as well as farmer level. And that's why basically we bring transparency like this, where we have complete information about entire transaction as well as behavioral information at farmer level. We've raised $7 million in form of debt and equity this year. We are working with 168,286 farmers through 302 micro-entrepreneurs. In past 6 months, we have handled more than 36,000 tons of agri-produce. Daily, we are delivering 1,500 orders of agri-input, and in a month, we spend more than 336,000 minutes while advising our farmers. But that's not the end. Have an ambitious goal to work with more than 5 million farmers by 2024 to build a large, sustainable business model of more than $1 billion top line.